Hi guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In this video we're gonna unbox a Seiko Kinetic SKA791. In the box you will find a 5M82 caliber instruction book. And here it is, the beautiful Seiko Kinetic SKA791. Wow, this watch is absolutely my favorite Seiko Kinetic watch. Just look at this beautiful dial. The case of the watch has a diameter of 42mm and is made from stainless steel. The hands and the indexes on the dial are made of lume, to be precise, Lumi Bright, which means the hands and indexes give light in the dark. When you pull out the crown you will be able to change the date. And when you pull it out further you can change the time. The glass of the watch is made from hard legs. The case is 11mm thick. The watch is charged by kinetic energy. It converts wrist and arm movement into energy. When the watch is fully charged, it has a power reserve of approximately 6 months. The brown watch strap is made of leather and has a strap length of 23 cm and a bandwidth of 20mm. This is what the watch will look like on your wrist. The retail price of this watch is €270. If you're interested in buying this watch, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys next time.